Que lo que? I'm here at another location. My brother Eli, he let me use his kitchen, his beautiful kitchen, to cook today, and he wanted some fish, so I'm making some fish for him. So as you can see here, we got some sea bass, fresh fish. I only make fresh fish. I don't like none of that frozen junk. And then we also got some plátano verde here that we're gonna be frying. Simple things we're gonna use, just adobo, some lemon juice, and salt. That's all we need for today's meal. So I already seasoned one fish. And this is what I like to do. Of course, wash your fish. Doesn't matter if they clean it at the market, but you still want to wash it. I like to poke holes in my fish. That way, when I season it, it's a little hard. It's no Dave Ramsey knives or whatever we got here, but either way, I don't think this stuff is real. I don't think he really cuts these. Probably does, but anyway, as you can see here, I'm just poking some holes through it. And when you season, don't be afraid. Just pour right on there. How do I wash this? I wash it obviously with water, and then I pour some lemon juice and vinegar. And sometimes I just let it sit for a bit, and other times I just rinse it right off. So it's really what you want to do. So as you can see here, I'm seasoning this very generously, and then I go ahead through the inside and also. I hate fishy taste, so that's why I season it this like strong. And then after I fry it, I pour some lemon juice on it, and it gives a really good taste. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead. This one's already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in the fryer. I have it going at medium heat, and just be careful. It's gonna salpicar, like my mom says. It's gonna hop up to the water and stuff. So very carefully. And we're gonna fry that until it's brown. We're gonna get like a nice little light brown color. So. There we go. You wanna fry one fish at a time, okay? You don't wanna put both of them in there because you want them to cook right. So, as you can see, it's gonna fry very slowly. Reason being, you want the inside to cook good. So you don't wanna put it on high and let it brown on the inside because you want the inside to cook as well. So we're just gonna leave that there for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put the plátano in a little bit. I'll see you guys back in a little bit. Alright everybody, it's been about like 9 minutes. The fish is still going on the one side. We're gonna put some plátanos in, okay? So very simple. I got it at like a line above medium. Just split them in, okay? So what you wanna do is leave them in there until they get brown, and I'll show you. And in just a few, our fish should be ready to go out. Be very careful because it's hot. Our fish is almost ready. So if you come over, this is like the brownish color you want to see the toton, okay? I got one of these things. Basically, what you want to do now is squish them. Put them in the paddle. Squeeze down, leave it like this, and we're gonna fry them one more time for like about a minute, so like the rest of the part that we squished will get brown. So that's all you want to do. You can see how it comes out. Put it in, push it down. You can even like bash it down with a spoon, a metal spoon or something. But this thing is like Puerto Rican. My wife got this from Puerto Rico, I believe. So it's pretty cool how much easier it is. So this is all you do. So let's take a look at our fish now. See if that's ready. So my fish, I like it without the bone. People say you can't fry it without, but I got for this one. Bam. That's the color I love. Right there. Nice little brownish color. So bam, now we're gonna fry the other side about the same, probably 7-8 minutes or so. Also, keep my hoodie. My boy Oscar got his website. If you see below, that's the website. Make sure you support his clothing line. I love this hoodie. It's amazing. Witness Apparel, Acts 18. Make sure you support his line. And if you do, make sure you message me and let me know, alright? Because I'll give you $100. Just kidding. But yeah, we'll be right back. I'm gonna keep frying this, and once my one fish is done, we'll go ahead for a taste. Alright, so it looks like our fish is ready to go. Be very careful while taking it out. I always like to get an extra help with another utensil. And I like putting it on a napkin, that way it could just like drain the oil. But look at that. Awesome color. It's cooked well on the inside. So that one's good to go. And then, like I told you, you squish down the plátanos, and then you just put it in so that you see these like light parts. You just put it in so that it could fry. So just slip it right in. And this is the secret. Just put it on the end, slide it down. Put it on the end, slide it down. As you can see, I still got some more plátanos cooking there. And those look to be ready. So I'll move those so they could flatten down. But this part, you don't want to leave them in for too long. Just for a very short time. Same thing, put it on the napkin so that the oil could drain. And I'm going to do the rest of these. Put my other fish in. And then we are ready to eat. It smells delicious in here. It smells like fish, if you like fish. But yeah, I'm excited to eat this. And I actually have someone here that cooks amazing southern food. My boy Elijah from Virginia, so he could tell you guys whether or not my food tastes good. So just in a little bit, once I'm done with this, I'll be ready to eat. See you guys in a few. Alright everybody, last step. I thought about my Puerto Ricans when I did this. Ketchup. Mayo. Yeah, my Puerto Ricans already know what I'm getting at. Mix it. Mix. It's called Mayo Ketchup. There's probably another way to make it, but this is how I know how to make it. Alright? This you use for your Tostones. So, plain and simple. Dip. Eat. Good. That's why I like CPAP, because it's nice and meaty, so this is great. Everybody, nice easy meal. Pescado con plátano. Very easy to make. You already know. Like and subscribe my page, share with your friends. If you have any suggestions of what I should do differently, feel free to comment below. But other than that, nice seeing you guys again. You guys have a good day.